During these holidays, maybe you want to make fried rice, but you don't have soy sauce, but you still want it very dark. Do you know you can make fried rice without soy sauce and it will look very dark? That is the recipe I'm going to share with you today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. So we do easy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. I have my oil and then my onions. I'm just going to fry this very well. So the oil that I'm using is used one, okay, but I decided to use it again. Thank you so much. Now this is how it is looking, but we still want it to cook very well, okay? Yes, so just enjoy the rest of the video. And please, if you have not followed me on Facebook, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please follow me on Facebook at Exhibit Mommy's Recipe? So I've added my natural spice, that is cloves, cumin, ginger, pepper, garlic, and I'll go ahead and add a little pepper, okay? Yes, because I want it to be a bit spicy, and I'll give it a stir, let it be on fire, and then add my homemade curry powder. I'll go ahead and give it a stir. Make sure it cooks very well before we proceed. Please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibit Mommy's Recipes. I've added my seasoning. If you don't want it, please omit it, but I'm going to add that and then give it a stir. Thank you so much. So I realized that sometimes maybe you want to prepare fried rice, but you may not have a soy sauce around and you want it dark. So that is why I decided to bring you this recipe or create this, okay? Now I've added my rice. Please, the rice, I washed it and then dry it. So I'm about to bring you a recipe that I washed the rice, and after drying it, I couldn't continue with the recipe, so I decided to use it to prepare rice. And that is some of the rice that I used, okay? So it was well washed and then I dried it very well. Thank you. Now after toasting it a bit, I'll just go ahead and add my water to that, okay? We don't want it too soft, okay? But if you want yours very soft, that is your fault. Go ahead and do it that way. I was tasting for salt and I think I will need a bit salt, so that is what I'm going to add and then give it a stir. Now the rice has been on fire for about 5 minutes and I'm just going to stir it, or maybe turn it, anyhow you say it, okay? But as you can see on the screen. So I will check on it every 5 minutes to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan, okay? But I know at the end some will stick. That is just by the way. So I'll go ahead and then cover it, lower the heat so that it can cook very well whilst we prep our vegetables and then add it to it and any other ingredient that we want to add. After another 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and open it and then stir this, okay? I'm cooking it small because just 2 people are going to enjoy this. Now I'll add my carrots because the carrot is the hardest vegetables among all the vegetables that I'm about to use, okay? I'll add the carrots, give it a stir, wait for some few minutes, and then add my onions, add some bell pepper. I will use only green bell peppers, give that a stir as well, wait for a while, and then we proceed. Now you can make this without vegetables, just without adding the vegetables was even delicious. That also was very delicious past. So you can do it without the vegetables. Whilst I have everything in there, I'm just going to cover it, wait for another 10 minutes before I add the other ingredients on a very lower heat. So I've added my cabbage. I always love cabbage in my fried rice because it always takes it to the next level. Yes, cabbage in your fried rice is a plus. So I'll give that a stir and then add my olives. So that is olives that I've added. You can omit it if you don't have it. Okay, use any vegetables that is available at home and you will love this. I am very sure you will try this, and I know very well that you will fall in love with it. I will add my scrambled eggs. You can omit it if you are a vegan. So this recipe is for the vegans and also those who are not vegans. It's for the vegetarians as well, okay? Yes. And I'll give that a stir. Wait for about a minute and our fried rice should be ready. So this is how it looks. It is ready, and I'm just going to garnish this with my scallions, or you can omit that. It was so delicious. It was very easy to put together. Please try this and you will love it. Till I come your way next time, always remember I love you. Please do not miss the next upload. I love you.